Direct students' attention to the close readers do these things anchor chart and review as necessary. Tell students that this text is challenging and may have unfamiliar words. Reassure them that they are not expected to understand it fully the first time. Remind them that one key to being a strong reader of difficult text is being willing to struggle. When students complete the finding the gist in unfamiliar vocabulary, allow them to draw or write in the gist column. These are just notes to help them remember what each excerpt is about. Students will participate in the Rank Talk Write protocol. Please take time to do this protocol that you already did in Lesson 4. It is a powerful protocol for high-level learners and struggling students alike. It provides for higher-level thinking, defending answers, and a great deal of conversation with a structure built in. Use a total participation technique when discussing that the correct summary sentence is sentence 2. For ELLs and students who may need additional support with writing, encourage students to color code each part of the cause and effect structure graphic organizer. Provide different color pencils and model how to fill in each box with a different color. During work time C, they can then use the corresponding colors when writing each sentence of the summary paragraph to reinforce the connection between the information in the graphic organizer and the information in their summary paragraphs. For ELLs and students who may need additional support with writing, briefly model and think aloud, adapting the language directly from the graphic organizer to the paragraph before students begin working independently. Use the same color coding from the graphic organizer to reinforce the connection between the information on the graphic organizer and the information in the paragraph. Model for students and then prompt them to check off each part of the cause and effect structure organizer as they include them in their summary to help support progress monitoring. Consider working in a small group with those who need significant support, gradually releasing support as they write. During the closing, students will work independently to fill out another Venn diagram comparing the two texts. For ELLs and other students who need support, display the Venn diagram from Lesson 3 to remind them of the process used to create it. Consider providing a word bank for students to select from to fill in the Venn diagram. Another consideration is to have students draw lines on the organizer and assign categories to be considered for comparison, such as structure, purpose, and what the author tells us. Scaffolding is an instructional method that progressively moves students toward greater independence and understanding during the learning process. Refer to the EL Education Scaffold Overview for grades 2 through 5 for additional resources that may provide further support when planning for and implementing instruction. As a reminder, additional resources and professional learning videos can be found in Learning Central under the appendix within each grade level module and in the teacher planning tools for your grade level curriculum. If you need more assistance with differentiating scaffolding lessons, you may wish to reach out to the experts in your building, the ESL teacher, the special education specialist, intervention team facilitator, or contact the central office coordinating teachers assigned to your school for support.